In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mileage entry in expenses. If you need to keep track of travel for work or personal records, this is a simple process that helps make sure each trip is recorded clearly and accurately. The key is to enter each detail carefully so your mileage log stays organized and easy to review later. To begin, open the mileage section. From within expenses, go to mileage. This is where all of your trip records are stored, and it's the area you'll use anytime you want to log a new drive. Once you're there, you'll be ready to create a new entry. Next, click Add Trip. This opens the form where you can enter the details for the mileage record. Think of this as the main screen for logging the trip from start to finish. Now, start filling in the mileage details. First, select the trip date. Make sure you choose the correct date the drive actually took place, since this can be important for accurate reporting and record keeping. After that, enter the distance traveled. It's a good idea to double-check this number before moving on, especially if you're using an odometer reading, map estimate, or another tracking source. Then, enter the start point and end point. These locations help identify where the trip began and where it ended. Be as clear and consistent as possible when entering these fields, since that can make your records easier to understand later on. Once the basic trip details are in place, complete the rest of the trip information. Select whether the trip was business or personal. This is an important distinction because it determines how the trip is categorized in your records. If the trip is for business, choose the business purpose that best matches the reason for the travel. Then select the vehicle used for the trip, so the entry is tied to the correct car or transportation record. If the drive included returning to the original location, turn on round trip if applicable. This helps ensure the trip is captured correctly without needing to manually create separate entries for going and returning, depending on how the system handles the route. Before finishing, take a moment to review all the details you entered. Check the date, distance, locations, trip type, purpose, and vehicle to make sure everything looks correct. A quick review can help prevent small errors and save time later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your mileage entry will then be added to your records and stored in the mileage section for future reference.